What up, Captain Enabler?
Oh, what's up?
Don't mind the garage. Our garages are terrible at the moment, but I'm sure plenty of you out there have way worse garages than us.
We're dealing with springs. Eibach.
We're getting ready. We're getting the UTVs ready today, so tomorrow we can head out to Sand Hollow in Utah, which is a gorgeous place to ride. You'll see plenty of footage of that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, nobody gets hurt. That's the plan. So we're over at Captain Enabler's house right now, and we're working on his 1000 RZR, and he's gonna show you how to swap the lower springs without having to take the entire shock off. We'll go through step by step on what bolts to pull out, and then we'll just time lapse it so you get the general idea of how to do it. And if that doesn't get you close enough on how to do it, then you should probably just take it to the RZR dealers and let them handle it.
So we're switching out the 200 lower, which is a 16-inch spring, a 3-inch ID, and we're going to an 18-inch spring, still 3-inch ID, 350 pounds. Impact driver, always helpful. All right, guys and gals, what we're gonna do is make sure we loosen the collar all the way up. So we have some spring plate. We're gonna pull out one bolt. That's gonna be size 18. It's torqued to 70 when you're done. We'll pull that out. We'll swing it up, take off the collar, and slide the springs right out. We'll see you soon. Bump stuff.
And just like that, it's about a 10-minute job per shock. It really didn't take him long, done in no time. And notice that I didn't do anything. Best my job is to watch a Polaris guy fix their cars. I don't really have any room to talk. You check this out. Mine's out apart because I'm putting new stuff on it. It's my radiator fan binding.